Hello, my name is Carolina Herrera and I work for Sunshine State Academy. So today we are going to make a piñata. Okay, it's right here. It's made out of paper bag. So I am going to tell you first what will be the materials that we're going to be using today. So we're going to use a paper bag. It can be any size you want. It depends how big you want it. I picked a small one, and we're going to be using tissue to decorate that paper bag. We are going to be using tape, stapler, a punch holder. We're going to use scissors. We're going to use the newspaper, or you can use magazines to fill in the bag after we put some candies, or you can even use toys. We're also going to be using ribbons. Okay, so we're going to start by, I'm going to cut that tissue. So you're going to take a whole tissue and you're going to cut it in half, and then out of that half I have this size, and I'm going to cut it another half. So basically you are going to be using half of the half of the tissue, and you're going to cut it in half. Okay, I'm going to use scissors. And then for piñatas, we can use it for any type of occasion. We can use it for any holidays or maybe birthday parties. Will be good. If you have maybe a bigger paper bag, you can use, instead of one child, you can use for 2 children. So you can use and then put candies or toys or anything like that. So after I cut half, I am going to be and I'm going to put this on the side because I'm going to be using this later on. Okay. Okay. And after I cut it in half, then I am going to cut it using, don't cut it all the way, but you're gonna lift maybe like a couple of, like maybe 4 fingers, and then you're gonna cut it. Just small strips all the way. This will be good. We having nearby our Cinco de Mayo, which you can use that as party planner. So you're gonna cut it all the way, and then after you finish cutting it, we are going to, the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to fill out my paper bag with candies. Again, you can use any type of candy you want. Okay, have some candies here. I'm gonna put. And then you want to fill out the bag. Again, you can use more candy, so you can use toys. But I'm going to fill it out. Also, you can do newspaper, or you can use magazine just to fill it up, so it can look more fully. I'm going to put it right here. Make it a little bit full like it is on the sample. I'm going to do one more. This one I'm just going to do half of it so it doesn't fill out too much. A little bit. And then we are going to fill it up all the way up. Now we're going to be folding it on the top, and we are going to put using staples on that. Okay. Right here, and we are going to put some staples here in each corner first, and then I'm going to put one more in the middle so it looks just like this. Okay, and now we are going to make 2 holes right in between those staples that you put right after that. So we can put a ribbon. Okay. And then now I am going to start putting our tissues all around, and I am going to be using tape with that. So I'm going to start. You can start with any color. It doesn't matter which color you start with. Okay, I'm going to start with my blue one. I'm going to put tape, and I'm going to go all around. Okay, some tape here. I am going to pick the other color, which is, I'm going to do the green one, and then you're going to do the same exact thing. You are going to start off right above the one that you finished with. Started with the blue one. So, and I'm going to put tape around again, all the way around. Make sure that you put some tape so they don't move, they don't come off. Then I'm going to start with the next one, which is, I'm going to do red. And again, you're going to do the same procedure that you did with the previous colors. You go down, do some tape. To do the next one, I'm going to do yellow, and again, same exact thing. Just make sure that you go the same exact way. You don't go too high, you don't go too low, so when you actually decorate it, it doesn't come out. Make sure that you put kind of tape around so they won't fall down. And then we are going to do the last one, just all the way up here. And this way. So this will be like a perfect thing for your kids. You can do it with them or their friends. Even you can do that while you're having a party. That will be great too. So now we're going to be doing the ribbon, and with the ribbon we're going to be just having a knot in each of the end. Okay, on the hole that we previously did, just a knot. And then we're going to go to the other end. And the last thing that we are going to do is sew the bottom, the strings at the bottom. And for that, the rest of the tissue that you had, now you are going to cut it. See, it looks very nice. So let's do the last part that we gonna do, which is the bottom. And then for this one, you can use all the rest of the tissue that you had, or you can use a couple of them. You don't have to put a lot, but just cut it along small strings, and you're just gonna put it at the bottom. Again, you can use as much as you want, decorated, but I'm just gonna use a couple of them to show you. You can do whatever you want, okay? So I am going to put it, and I'm gonna put at the bottom, and then I'm put it with tape. So I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna put some tape on the tissue, and then I'm gonna put it right in the bottom to create some strings, okay? Right here. Just make it pretty so they can have fun. You can actually have this as a decoration of your party, and that will make it a very beautiful decoration all over. And at the end, they can get to actually take it out and pull the strings and get their candies. So there you go. There goes your piñata. Thank you.